Let's do time trials for 3 different ways to empty this bottle. The first way is to do absolutely nothing special and just flip it upside down. As you can see, this is really slow because the air bubbles have to go in to fill the vacuum that's created as the water's leaving, and these bubbles obstruct the flow of water. By the time the bottle was completely empty in this method, it was around 15.5 seconds. The second strategy is to swing the bottle around to create a vortex. As you can see, this creates a channel of air that helps relieve the pressure and improve the time. This method was almost twice as fast as the first one at around 8.5 seconds. Lastly, the pro strategy, which is to use a straw, unblock the hole right as you release it. The straw provides a passageway to relieve the pressure, and it results in the fastest time at around 4.5 seconds.